Well, my friends, this is a pathetic case of the gentle lady, aged about 59 years. She has developed tumor in the brain tumor at the pituitary, which is known as pituitary macroadenoma. And what are the brain tumors? What are malignant? What are benigns? I have demonstrated in many of my videos. This gentle lady developed pituitary macroadenoma, for which she had already operated in the year 2022, 30th August. It has been not mentioned in the case taking. Once operated in 2022 August, but it has relapsed again. See the operation date, 2022 August 30, from the Department of Neurosurgery, BMI Specialty Hospital, BNC, means Bangur Institute of Neurology Hospital of Calcutta. Now once again, after 2 years, when some of the symptoms developed, the further MRI of 2024 February, the MRI report macroadenoma with further extension. So a pathetic condition. The pituitary macroadenoma once appeared. She has consulted with many homeopathic physicians. I have seen the prescriptions. Many renowned homeopathic physicians have seen. They have awarded by International Man of the Year, etc., and given 20 to 25 medicines at a time. In every prescription, I do not like to show the names of the physicians, but they have given 20 to 25 medicines at a time. Renowned physicians has got the International Man of the Year felicitation. So the gentle lady, treated by those physicians for long years, and every time the prescription shows 20-25 medicines at a time. So homeopathic treatment had taken from a physician who has awarded the International Man of the Year from England, from America. For 20 to 25 medicines at a time prescription, they have given the Man of the International Year. So this is the pathological reports. The physician has already examined many pathological reports, whether required or not. Even after he was not satisfied by prescriptions of 20 to 25 medicines, he has also advised to examine many costly experiments. The International Year physician also advised to study DNA, HRAC, the costly test, to me not at all required with the patient's treatment of pituitary macroadenoma. It requires about 10,000 rupees, and which is very difficult to collect for the gentle village ladies. So he has consulted with many homeopathic physicians, including the International Year Awarded physician, and without any result. Medicines I have given. This is their case history book. Now the patient also consulted with the Apollo Clinic Hospital physician, and they have treated accordingly. However, the tumor is reappeared and the patient is in agony. There is headache with blurred vision. Now she has come. We have taken the case thoroughly. Now it is our duty to prescribe a single medicine, because homeopathy treats the patient by a single medicine. We are not the International Man of the Year, because we are not in favor of prescribe 25 medicines at a time. So we would like to prescribe only one single medicine at a time. So we are the man of the village, not the international man. Is it? We are the man of the village, because we like to prescribe only one medicine. And the man of the international year, I have seen some Malik has given 25 medicines at a time for 2 years. So man of the international year. Now what will be my prescription? Many students of mine present here. Will you suggest me which medicine I do like to prescribe? This is the case taking. Marksol, one of our physicians interested to prescribe Marksol. The symptoms are, once again I am telling, this is a case of pituitary macroadenoma, once operated but reappearing again. The physician who has got the international award has given 100 of medicines, 25 medicines at a time. More than 2 years, already given 250 medicines. Half of the medicines of the Mathematica is covered. Now the symptoms are thirst profuse, sweat profuse, memory weak, etc. symptoms. In the past history, measles, typhoid. One of his son died in 2022. And these are the symptoms. Salivation also plus. The doctor has said, our one senior doctor has said, mercurius. Your prescription is mercurius. Thuja occidentalis. Thuja. Thuja occidentalis. Thuja. প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞাসা করলে ক্লাসে যেমন ছেলেরা লুকায়, ওই ডাক্তারটা লুকাচ্ছে। টেনে বের করো, কি বলে দেখো, কি বলতে চাও? The prescription is very easy to me. Only one single medicine I do like to prescribe for the gentle lady, and the medicine is Lactacus. The medicine is Paltabe. Huh? Marksol. আর কেউ পাল্টাবে? My selection is phosphoric acid. There is great mortification at 22 years adult son died before this attack or incidents, and all along the gentle lady is sitting here with indifferent looking, no laughing, no joyfulness, no mirthfulness. So a great indifference with history of mortification and desire for fruits and juicy foods. These three symptoms indicates me, led me to prescribe phosphoric acid. So I do like to phosphoric acid in 50 millimolar scale of potencies, considering the great mortification, the great indifference all along I have seen in my clinic, and desire for fruits. So phosphoric acid is the choice of medicine, my friends. With the direction twice in a day, morning and evening. So let's see the result, how much improvement we may expect from the phosphoric acid.